What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think.
Find our tag. All right, this one's looking a little sad. So we gotta tend to it first. Remember, I love to look for wreaths that someone else put all the work into, that all I have to do is touch up and add a bow to. All right, looking better. All right, look how much better that looks. Well, minus that one stick that's like out in left field. All right. Just gotta make a bow. I don't limit myself on what I spend on a pre-made wreath, as long as I can sell it for what I put into it. This one's super easy. One of our best selling multiples, just adding that one bow to that wreath. We ship out, you know, quite a few during fall. Find a spot on your wreath, add your bow. Y'all, let's dovetail these. Almost seems like cheating. Well, whether you buy this and add a bow to it, or you buy this and put a bow to it, what's the difference? All right, y'all, that one's done.